Hello traders, hello investors. How are you guys doing today, my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today let's analyze NIO's price action. Let's see NIO's technicals. Let's see how it is performing right now today. Well, we are dropping nearly 4%, so the situation is not that good, but NIO is doing many good technical signs for us recently, and I'm gonna update you guys in this video. First, of course, remember to click on the like button to support this channel and subscribe to keep in touch with my daily analysis. I'm here every single day keeping you guys updated on many stocks including NIO, Tesla, and I'm sharing many tips on my shorts. All right, I'm doing many shorts videos here on YouTube, and I think you guys are gonna appreciate our content. Now back to NIO. This is the weekly chart. We're going to talk about that later. Right now, daily chart. In the daily chart, NIO did trigger a very important bullish structure called bullish pivot point. It did a higher high, higher low. Okay, this is great. So NIO is going to reverse right now, right? Well, in theory, yes. But the problem is we found a very strong resistance at 1173. What is the 1173, Nathan? Is a previous support level from May 12, 2022, and right now it is working as a resistance again. I'm so sorry, not again. It is working as a resistance according to the principle of polarity in technical analysis. Remember, previous support levels are going to work as future resistances. All right, so this is it. It is a very technical, acceptable movement. In addition to this, we just hit the EMA as well. So this point, this area is a dual resistance area. And to make things more bearish, we did a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern yesterday, which was triggered today. So right now, NIO failed in reversing the trend despite of this bullish structure over here, higher high, higher low. Right now, we are still dropping. Is there any hope for NIO? Yes, there is. But we gotta see a reaction like tomorrow because we filled a gap. Right now, there is an open gap over here, as you guys can see. We just filled this gap in the daily chart, and we are trying to react. If NIO does a very good bullish reaction, then and only then we can assume that NIO is still doing this. Higher highs, higher lows. In this case, I think NIO has plenty of upside potential if it reacts properly at this support level, at this gap area. Another problem is earnings. It is going to report earnings. It is going to release earnings in 2 days. So this will surely bring some volatility, at least in the short term. So in the short term, I believe that technicals are going to be a little bit messed up over here, but mid-term speaking, the trend will speak louder and NIO will resume the bullish bias, the previous bias. And if it is bullish, I think NIO is going to just break the EMA. It is going to finally break this dual resistance area, and it will do a very good bullish movement in the midterm to the EMA in the weekly chart. This is how I see the situation right now. And it is quite important to see a good reaction on NIO at this point because we just hit a very important support level in the weekly chart. The 940 along with this purple trend line is a very strong dual support level on NIO. The trend line was a support level 1, 2, 3, 4 times in the past, and right now it is working again as a support level. In addition to this, the 940 is a previous gap level over here from June 29, 2020. Wow, that's a very long time. So NIO is back more than 2 years price-wise, and we are doing a very good reaction in a support level. All of this tells me that NIO is about to retest its EMA in the weekly chart. What is the problem is the 1173 in the daily chart. Only by breaking 1173, I think NIO will have more decent chances of actually reversing this trend. The sell-off was sharp, especially in the past couple of months over here since September 12. So yeah, the sell-off was quite sharp. NIO is in a very strong bear trend since since January. Let's calculate. Since January, it is dropping nearly more than 8% right now. So the sell-off was quite intense. However, my personal portfolio is going up nearly 8%. If you want to join the top 5% of traders that can actually make money, that can actually beat the market, subscribe to my newsletters. I share my personal portfolio with you guys. My performance is public. Check my track record is here. This is all that truly matters to me, all right? This is our performance. If you want to trade with us, subscribe to my newsletters. I'm waiting for you. Stop wasting any more time over here and subscribe because we are constantly beating the market. So far, our performance is just amazing. I think you guys are going to appreciate what I have to offer to you guys. Now, if NIO is a good buy, right now, this moment, I think it has to do more stuff to convince me at this moment, okay? I was quite optimistic when it did trigger this bullish pivot point, but right now I think NIO has to do more bullish structures in order to convince me that yes, we are going to reverse, we are going to retest the EMA in the weekly chart. This is great. And if NIO actually breaks the 1173 again, we are talking about nearly more than 30% upside potential in my humble opinion. So yes, NIO has everything to fly. It is a very good and promising stock to trade in the midterm at least, and I have high hopes on it. Of course, it is not the most impressive stock that I see around, but it is one of the most impressive stocks that I see around. If you want to trade with me, subscribe to our newsletters. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Farewell.